Hi, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica. Join me as I paint an oilcloth inspired mug. I love painting ceramics and doing hand building. It's just so relaxing, so I thought I would film the process in case you ever want to paint oilcloth inspired flowers, because this technique will work for regular acrylic painting also. So these are some bisque mugs, and I'm using Mako Stroke and Coat underglazes. And I'm using Pinkadot and Dandelion for the yellow. And I happened to be watching The Mandalorian while I was painting all of this. So for the background, I'm going to use this glaze called Speckled Tuxedo, which is black with a bunch of little white specks in it. It looks like outer space. You'll see at the end. So now I'm adding the leaves. So all of these flowers and the leaves, I'm using 2 or 3 different shades of each color. So I started with a lighter color, and then I went in with a darker color and a liner brush. And with the green parts, I'm using some darker colors, a darker green. So now I'm going to add the black. I'm using a liner brush to outline everything, but to get the oilcloth look, the printed look, you want to leave a little halo of white all around the motifs that you painted, and it will give it that kind of printed register look. So I'm adding my first coat of Speckled Tuxedo, letting it dry, and I'm going to add 2 more coats. Now I'm going in to add some final details to all of the flowers, and once I'm done with all of this, I'm going to check to make sure everything looks evenly covered, and then it's time to dip these mugs into some clear glaze. This will help protect the mug, and it makes it food safe, which is already food safe, but it makes it shinier and prevents crazing. Any kind of ceramic mug, you don't want to put it in the dishwasher or microwave. It will just preserve it a lot longer if you hand wash it. And now I'm putting it in the kiln. It's going to fire up to 1800 degrees for 7 hours and cool for 7 hours. And here's the end result. Let's take a closer look. I want to show you the different colors that I used on the flowers so you can see how much dimension it gives it. I put little white dots in the side of each flower. Each one has about 3 or 4 different shades of that color. If you made it through this far, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you at the Pottery Studio.